Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 6th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I want to start by going into the Wayback Machine. I did this on GBH this morning. And by the way, if you're not listening to GBH in the morning, I hope you will because my forecasts are on there as well. So April 1st, 1982, a whopping 61 degrees, a beautiful spring day, and then it was in the 50s for the next several days, but it got a little colder by the 5th, only 45 degrees, falling back down to 25 that morning. And then on the 6th, it started snowing, 36 degrees. That snow heavy, nearly 11 inches of it, another 3 inches or so on the following day, early in the morning, only reaching 25 degrees on the 7th. Some of you might remember that as the Passover storm. And Logan Airport went down to 16 degrees on that morning of the 7th with all the fresh snow cover. A few days later, 10 days later to be exact, it would be 75 degrees, and it would be in the 80s by the end of the month, the snow quickly disappearing. No snow in the forecast of significance, but there could be a little snow shower as we head through the overnight hours tonight after clouds build up today with the sunshine this morning. Temperatures getting into the 40s. Overnight tonight, I'm expecting temperature near 30 with that rain or snow shower. Tomorrow we're in the 40s again. Clouds, maybe a little sprinkle, also some sun. We get better on Wednesday up near 50. Thursday we're up into the mid to upper 50s and approaching 65 to 70 by Friday, and there we should remain for the upcoming weekend. So I went to my son's track meet here on Saturday, and those temperatures in the morning up near 60, falling back into the 30s by the end of that meet when he was running the 400 relay. It was cold, definitely bundled up, but this weekend should be a bit better. Have a great day, everybody.